Okay, here's a question, and it looks like this. Container X contains 1.0 mole of an ideal gas. Container Y contains 2.0 mole of the ideal gas. Y has 4 times the volume of X. The pressure in X is twice that in Y. What is temperature of gas in X divided with temperature of gas in Y? If you would like to, you can start trying to solve the exercise, and when you're done you can start the video again and see if you have the same answer as I do. Let me show you. Ideal gas. When you see it, you can start on your scrap paper, write down PV is equals nRT. Most likely you will use it. But then they ask for temperature. So you need to solve for the temperature, for T. Can you do that? T is pressure times volume divided with, so nR will be down here. So I'm writing it like this. So temperature is equals pressure times volume divided by number of moles times R, a constant. Okay, now let's see. Tx divided by Ty. Temperature of gas in X, that's Tx, divided with temperature of gas in Y, temperature Y, is equals to. And then I need a big fraction bar like this. And then I have a smaller fraction bar here and a smaller fraction bar here, because T of X will be something with the pressure times the volume divided by N and R. Let's see what it is now. And you have it in the exercises. Can you find it out? Maybe you can take a pause in the video, try to do it, and then you start again, see if we have the same answer. So first here now comes pressure in X. The pressure in X is twice that in Y. So the pressure X, I will call it 2P now. That means that the pressure in Y will be called only P. So here down you will have the pressure in Y and the pressure in X. So the pressure in X is twice, 2P is twice only P, times volume of X. And then it says in the question, Y has 4 times the volume of X. Therefore, the volume of X is just called V, and the volume of Y is 4V. That's how to understand it. V, we don't know the value of it, but 4V is at least 4 times as big as V. Okay, N, number of mole in X. Container X contains 1 mole, and then comes the constant R. And container Y contains 2 moles, so we have a 2 here, and then comes the constant R. Now, if we have done it correctly, we should be able to simplify, so we just have numbers left. And the numbers will tell us the ratio of temperature X of temperature Y. So P up here, denominator in the denominator, and P down here. It's gone. The volume will be gone, and constant R will be gone. And what do we have left? We have 2 over 1 divided with 4 over 2. 4 and 2 and 2 over 1. And now you could simplify it already here now. Maybe you will practice the mathematics here, and then you remember that to divide with a fraction is the same thing as multiplying with the reciprocal of the fraction. So that is 2 over 4. So you are flipping these two. 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 times 4 is 4. So it's 4 divided by 4, that is 1. And 1 is a good answer because that's one of the options here. That is option C. That is the correct answer. Okay, thank you and goodbye.